Welcome to Wax Sports Reviews. In this video, we're looking at the best set of pads that Adidas make in the Inkerza range, the Inkerza 1.0. These are their top-end pads and truly justify the price and the tag that comes with them. So let's start talking about these. In terms of the aesthetic, it's pretty minimal. It's all white and has a few really premium touches with the 3D printed Adidas logo here at the side and here at the foot base, which makes it nice and cool. In terms of the protection on this, it's a full cane structure. So the full cane is the most traditional way of making batting pads as it offers you the best amounts of protection. These are low density canes, which means they don't weigh as heavy while still offering you the same protection. Talking about the weight of these, they're probably one of the lightest top-end sets of batting pads that you could find on the market, making these really comfortable to wear and run between the wickets with. And also the shape of them, they come rather flat out of the packet, which is really good because that allows you to mold these pads exactly to your leg shape, offering you a better fit than other pads. In terms of the side wing, it's a really hard, high density foam side wing which extends quite a bit, so it wraps around your calf in the exposed area quite well. And even the top cap angles in reasonably well so that your thigh is well covered and offers you a more snug fit. The base of the pad has this really premium PU piping so that it doesn't get scuffed up over here, adding to the longevity of these. And on the inside, the foot base is made of genuine leather, which is probably the most premium material you could use to add reinforcement in this area because it does tend to get roughed up quite easily because the foot rubs against it, which is a really true premium touch on a premium set of batting pads. The aesthetics of the Inkerza reflect inside with the black and orange and a little bit of that silver with the new series. And they look really good. And you get a really premium material even here at the upper. Talking about the knee protection side of things, you get a knee pocket which is reinforced on the outside with a TPU shell and about an inch layer of gel foam with a harder sort of casing over here so that you get triple layer knee protection and offering you a really snug fit. The straps are lined with this really soft mesh padding on the inside so that they don't feel as cumbersome on your legs and give you a much more premium feel when you don these. There's also padding underneath the buckle so that they don't dig into your skin, along with a butterfly style buckle on the middle strap so that it's easier to fasten it a little bit better and adding to the longevity of these. The padding running across the leg is really soft memory foam like padding, which is reasonably thick too, so it offers you good protection. And the whole area is reinforced with TPU shell bolsters over here on the shin and on the side as well, which makes these probably one of the best protective pads on the market. All up, one of the best sets of top-end pads that you could find on the market with really premium features and making them incredibly lightweight. So if you want to get these, you can walk into one of our stores or get it online.